Hello students. So in this video we will study the effect of gravity on the pressure in a fluid when fluid is at rest. So as you know, the Pascal's law can be stated in a various way. So one statement is that if the points are at the same height in the liquid at rest or fluid at rest, the pressure will be the same. So another statement is that if we neglect the effect of gravity, then pressure at all points within the liquid will be the same. So to prove this statement, uh, we will prove this statement in this video. So to prove this statement, we consider a cylindrical liquid column of height h. Let there are 2 points. This is the M and these are the points or these are the faces of the cylinder, and the height of cylinder is h. So P1 is the pressure on the top face and P2 is the pressure at the bottom face, that is point N and point M. So if the effect of gravity is neglected, the pressure at M and N will be equal. अगर gravity नहीं है यहाँ पे, pressure M और N equal होंगे. But if the gravity is if we are considering gravity or gravity is taken into account, then the pressure are not equal. Then pressure नहीं होंगे जब gravity अगर हम consider करते हैं. So to prove this statement, now we consider the various forces on the fluid column. So there are three forces: F1, which is acting perpendicularly downward, F2 perpendicularly upward on the bottom, and weight of the liquid that is in downward direction. So F1 is equal to P1A1, P1A is the area, cross section area of the faces. W is equal to M into G, acting downward direction. Then force F2 is equal to P2A at the bottom surface, acting vertically upward. So where P1 and P2 are the pressures at the top and bottom faces, and A is the cross section area of the circular face of the cylinder. M is the mass of the cylinder in the liquid. So next, because the liquid is at rest, there is no flow of liquid. So in equilibrium, F1 plus W minus F2 is equal to 0. So we are considering downward direction positive. So putting the value of F1, that is P1A, W is mg, F2 is equal to P2A. So P1A plus mg minus P2A is equal to 0. So on solving this, we get P2 is equal to P1 plus mg upon A. But m is equal to mass of the liquid, this will be equal to mass is equal to volume into density. So volume is base area into height, that is A into h. So on putting the value of mass in our equation, P2 is equal to P1 plus A h rho g divided by A. So A से A cancel हो जाएगा, A से A cancel हो गया. So we get P2 is equal to P1 plus h rho g. So this equation proves that the pressure is the same at all points at the same depth. अगर डेप्थ सेम है, एच सेम है, सब पे प्रेशर क्या होगा, सेम रहेगा. If we neglect the effect of gravity, it means G is equal to 0, then P2 is equal to P1, then P2 is equal to P1. Then it means the pressure is the same at every point in the fluids. तो जितने पॉइंट फ्लूइड में हैं उन पे प्रेशर क्या रहेगा, सेम होगा if we neglect the effect of gravity. And this is the effect of gravity on the pressure. So we have proved it. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you very much.